Hello my lovelies, so I'm Lizzie from Love from Lizzie and today I'm here to bring you the August 2026 Love from Lizzie card kit. This is our unboxing video. We will follow up with a product release directly afterwards, but we just want to make sure that everyone that's subscribed gets to see everything that's in their kit before it comes on its way to you. So without further ado, I am going to pull you down overhead and you're going to have a look at the lovely Timeless Travel card kit for August. So our card kits come in Ziploc bags to keep everything protected whilst it's travelling on its way to you. We have the A4 bag and we have the embellishment bag. Now I'm going to pull the embellishment bag separate and start off with the colour palette. So I'm going to take the cardstock out first and show you what we have. So this month we have got some really lovely gentle tones. We have got craft cardstock, alcohol marker friendly white cardstock, it's really gorgeous cream and magnolia, and then this really soft blush pink. Now these are all in American letter, so they're 8.5 by 11 inches, so you can cut them in half widthways or lengthways to make A2 sized card bases, which means you can make 10 cards. Now this card kit can make at a very bare minimum 10 cards. All you'll need to add is adhesive and scissors, but you've got so much product to play with. We've added a bit of mesh for a bit of texture, and this is really good fun because you can pull the edges away to make it fray, which creates a really pretty effect along the edge if you want it to stand proud a little. So we have that, and that's in that really lovely sort of craft brown. Let's now show you the pattern papers. So this is our Timeless Travel 6x6. All of our pattern papers are single-sided, so you don't have to choose. They are 12 unique designs, so each one is different. I'll pull you in on the close-up for this so that you can see, because some of them are really lovely and subtle. But this is like a herringbone. And then we have some ships over this really lovely faded map design. And then we have this really pretty map. It's very soft, like creamy blue with text over the top. Then we have, it's a honeycomb, again in this really soft tone. The feel for this month's kit is vintage, and I mean, look at that, it's fabulous, isn't it? So some of these will work really well for masculine cards, even though it is generally speaking quite a feminine touch with the florals. This sort of sea glass blue, and then we have a great stripe. This reminds me of beach huts, you know, and the awnings that come from them. And then next we have this really lovely dusky rose with small sort of white squares. This is glorious. We've got some landmarks in here, the globe, car, some postage marks. Really very pretty, very soft, so that you can decide to make the paper the focal or your ephemera or stamped pieces. And this is sort of postage marks. Then we have this really lovely tonal imagery across the stripes again. And then lastly, we have some really pretty florals over that sea glass blue. So they are the patterned papers that come in this month's kit. We have got a brand new peel off set. Really excited about these. These are the Love from Lizzie butterfly border peel offs. So what you do is you peel the edge away and just lift that up. And as you can see, these are white with a gold finish, so they just have that really lovely little bit of sparkle around the edge. And one of the biggest bonuses of these peel-offs is the waist piece, the piece in the middle, these tiny butterflies. They decorate so nicely and they're really soft, and because they're white, they'll go with any of the projects that you make. Next up, we have the stamp set, and we have sentiments of hope your year is one grand adventure, sending happy thoughts your way, Together is my favourite destination. You are my greatest adventure. Another trip around the sun. And may this year take you amazing places. And then you have this really lovely globe with a floral cluster both at the top and the bottom. And here you have like a vintage motor car that's absolutely covered in blooms. And both of these will look stunning when they're heat embossed. When they're coloured, I mean, we could no line stamp them and colour them so that they look realistic. There are so many different options that we can go through to make this into some really, really pretty cards. So let's, I'm just going to pop the peel-offs over the stamp, and that's going to make it glare even worse. We'll go over this side. Lastly, in our A4 bag, we have our ephemera. Now, this I know is one of the crowd pleasers, all of the ephemera that we include in our packets. But this month we have got so many different pieces. There's aeroplanes, all different sorts of motor vehicles. There's blooms, landmarks, and Big Ben looks fabulous. You've got the Eiffel Tower, and some of these are quite small and others get up to quite large. So you do have a nice variety, but they are sort of like showstopper pieces. You only need one ephemera icon to be able to create a really pretty card. I mean, you can definitely layer some of these together if that's your fancy, but it's certainly not necessary. Hot air balloons, suitcases. This is stunning. I really love the colours in this. You have the bicycle, another collection of blooms, a globe, a different version of Big Ben, an older vehicle, the Colosseum. So as you can see, there are lots and lots of different options for you to enjoy. The old steam trains, a VW bus, we have Pisa. So lots to play with. As you can see, Big Ben was my favourite, which was why you got another large one. And then a Colosseum again. So this is all of the ephemera that comes within the kit. Now we have the embellishment bag. So we've got some different texture. Because this is quite vintage and soft, I've included this really lovely velvet ribbon, and it's like an old gold. It's a really lovely warm colour. It's single-faced, so it's really easy to stick down, but it's got a really nice depth to it because it is that velvet. Not sure if my microphone gets that, but it's really, really pretty. And we have this small strip of, it's like a craft ribbon, and it has this copper metallic in it. Again, it's just a little bit of sparkle to add into something very muted to give you something to play with, but I thought this would look lovely stapled in half as behind an ephemera piece perhaps, or behind a panel. It's very pretty, and thought that it worked quite nicely. Also have, not going to unravel it all, but we have some gold twine. So this is very, very shiny, and it creates that really lovely bird's nest look. And when you're going with the vintage and texture, this works really nicely. So you have a nice big strip of that. We have put 3 bows in this month. So there is one that has a pink print of lace, and the other 2 have a lilac floral, and they're on this really lovely cream satin ribbon. The purples are slightly wider than the ones with pink. We have some gems because we always like to add a little bit of sparkle. There are 3 rows of the smaller and 2 rows of the larger. This is really cute. So this is a frame, and it's really very detailed. As you can see, it's got these florals along the edge, and they will frame an ephemera piece beautifully. You know, if it depends how you want to make it work, but you could have the plane flying out of the frame. There's so many options, but I thought this was a little bit unusual, so we'll add one of those in. and I'm really intrigued to see what people make with that. We have 2 foiled with love toppers. They have a foam square on the back that's adhesive. You just peel that backing off. And again, just to add a little bit of shine, a bit of texture into your cards. And along that theme, we have 2 wooden tags. So again, lovely to attach your ephemera pieces to. You can stamp on these, you can ink them. There's lots of wonderful ways to use wooden tags. We have also got 2 peach doilies. These have been favourites of mine over the years. But you see, just collecting a few pieces together, a bow, a doily and an ephemera piece, you're halfway to making a card. Cut the doily in half as well, so that it stretches them a little bit further. But they're really lovely. They're a nice alternative to vellum. So when you want to cover a bit of pattern paper but not too much, the doilies are a really pretty way to do that. And then we have some little charms, which have proven to be super popular. So I'll pull you in on the close-up. There are 3 of these really pretty green hot air balloons in a circular charm. There we go. There's 3 of those. And then we have another hot air balloon that's pink, and it says far away on there. We have a pink suitcase. To travel is to live. And then finally we have an aeroplane, which is take me far away, which is really, really cute. So they are the charms. And then last but by no means least, we have our die set. Now, I've die cut these already so you can see how they appear. This is a lovely die set. So what we have is a circle die, and then we have the land mass. Oh no, the water, my apologies, the water of what would be the globe. And this is the size of the circle when die cut. And when you stick the water on top in blue, that's how this die appears. So there's those 2. We have this very cute heart arrow, which is lovely and delicate, but great for the travel theme because it's all about direction. We have an aeroplane with this really pretty embossed detail down the body of the plane. And we have a smaller planet. Now this could be used as the moon, I think. You could possibly also try and fashion it as the world, depending on which way round you put it and how accurate you wanted it to be. I like it as the moon. And then we have 2 arrows. One a fatter one and one a thinner one. And thankfully these go in every direction, which is wonderful. So that, my lovelies, is the Timeless Travel Love from Lizi card kit. I really hope that you like it. I'm really looking forward to all of the lovely projects that we can make with this. They are available now. If you're subscribed, don't worry, your kit's reserved. We will be cutting off add-on shippings on the 30th of July, and shipping will commence from the 3rd, the following Monday, because the 1st falls on a weekend this month. Thank you ever so much for sticking with me. Please do hop over into our product release video and have a look to see what we have to build this up, because we've got some really lovely products in there to share with you. Until next time, please